Hi everyone, so I thought I would show you a little plug haul that I picked up. So let's have a look. As you can tell, I ordered it online. So let's open the box and have a look. Okay, so these are what I ordered. So I'll go with this Joe VV one first. And they come in this little pouch, which I won't use. And these are some Galaxy plugs. So I'm going to just zoom in. Hopefully you can see. Some little booklet thing. So let's take these out. I like the fact that they are wrapped up and, you know, wrapped up well and protected for transport, so that's good. So they're these. They are gorgeous. Let me just lower my camera so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. So it's just a little pair of Galaxy plugs. They're so cute. They are double flare screw back plugs, stainless steel with this little design on the front in a dome. So there's those. These are 00 gauge, which is 10mm, because that's the size of my ears, if you're wondering. So that's the first pair I ordered. These are by Tobossen, and these ones are gorgeous. Look at those rainbowy colours. Isn't that pretty? So let's show you these. These ones have got different skull designs on them, because I haven't got, I've only got, I think it's only one pair that are metal with a skull design on. So I wanted to get some more. Let's just put the back on. The one back has come off in transit. So as you can see, double flare screw back. So the first pair are these skulls that say live on them. And they've got flowers in the background, and they've got this like iridescent, almost holographic type shine to them. They're so cute. I saw them online and thought they look gorgeous. They look even better in real life. Again, these are all 00, by the way, because that's my final size. So I decided to treat myself to some new earrings. The second pair are these skull and crossbone ones. Again, with that sort of iridescent, multicoloured shine to them, and a little skull and crossbone print. And these are all stainless steel, because I do wear stainless steel jewellery. I mostly wear stone and glass, but I do like the stainless steel for the designs. And then this pair, just tighten the back up because it's loose. And these are like ram skulls. So if I can zoom in for you a bit. Got upside down cross on them, and they've got that sort of rainbowy effect to them, and got little roses in. So they're so pretty. So I'm really pleased with those, and that's these up close. So cute. So I ordered those. And then these are some glass plugs, because I wanted some more glass ones. I wear glass more than anything. So I got plain colours so I can wear them for work, depending on how see-through they look. And these are sealed, even more than the others. Can't get in, hold on. which is a good thing. Just means they're sealed up properly. See if I can zoom in a bit. Let's just cut the tops off the bags, make life easier. Okay. So the first pair are these. They come with spare O-rings as well, which is useful. Let's have a look. So I've got spare O-rings. Yeah, they're definitely glass. And these are a very pale baby blue. So they're almost clear with like a little baby blue hint. You can just about see the sort of blue hint to them if they're over the paper, look. So those are nice. I like the fact that the wearable area is a bit smaller, but not too small compared to my other plugs that I've got. Then this one, this pair, which they haven't got any of the O-rings attached, but that's fine. I am glad that they came with spare O-rings because I do lose O-rings quite often. These ones are nice as well because they are see-through again. You just about make out the gap in between my fingers there, but they have a nice pink tint to them, which I like. So nice and subtle. You know, not screaming in your face pink. It's like a nice subtle pink and blue. And then I got these are in a darker blue. This was a set, by the way, a set of 4 pairs. So I've got loads of O-rings now, so that's really good because I'd lost some of them before. So I've got loads in my size now. So these ones are a darker blue. Almost like a, yeah, darker blue, almost maybe purpley blue or something. So they're quite nice deep blue. And then these ones, which I do like this colour in earrings, and I have, my old glass plugs were red and I do like the red. This just needs some O-rings on. I was just checking what that white line was. It just seems to be where they've like gone into the glass to form a little ridge. So I like these. These ones are a sort of maroon burgundy red, which is nice. It makes a nice change because I've got some quite bright ones that are red. So it was nice to have a bit of variety. So those are all my new plugs in my haul. So that's it. These are my new plugs that I picked up. I ordered them all off Amazon. Again, not sponsored or anything, it's just that's where I ordered them from. I'm not trying these on today. They are in my current size, but I've not been at my current size for very long, which is 00, which is 10mm. So when my ears have fully got used to the stretch and are less likely to shrink if I remove and replace plugs, I'll test all these and show you what they look like in my ears. I'll probably wear the glass ones mostly because I tend to wear glass and stone most, and it's nice to have a bit of variety because my current glass and stone ones are these amethyst ones and these glass ones. All the rest of mine are ones I used to wear when my ears were 00 before, so they're double flared, so I can't wear them. So these tend to be my go-to jewellery at the moment, and the blue pair that I've got in of glass. So it'd be nice to have. These are more like a sort of, I don't know, how would you describe this blue? It's like a, I don't know, it's just a brighter blue. It's different to those two. So I'm leaving these in for now while my ears have they settle down and loosen up a little bit, and then I will show you these in my ears at a later date. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.